Welcome to the Tom and Melissa channel. We spent a midweek at Center Parcs Villages Nature near Disneyland Paris this January and had a fantastic time. In this video, I explored the castle park on my own, while Melissa went swimming at Center Parcs' own swimming pool complex. Here's what I did that day, the sights I took in, the attractions I rode, and the food that I tried. Walking through the entrance and under the railroad station always feels nostalgic. I've been visiting Disneyland Paris since I was a small kid. Today I wasn't after roller coasters, because I prefer dark rides, walkthroughs, gentle flats, and just relaxing in the park. I started with Le Passage Enchanté d'Aladin, a charming walkthrough that follows Aladdin's adventures. It was a lovely, nostalgic way to begin the day. The Disney app showed only a 5-minute wait for Star Tours, so I headed to Discoveryland. No on-ride filming here, so I'll see you after the ride. After flying through space, I was hungry, so I grabbed lunch at Cowboy Cookout Barbecue on the edge of Frontierland. I ordered a burger menu with fries and a soft drink. 17 euros well spent for a really tasty cheeseburger, one of the best in the park. I also tried the grilled pork sausages, but at 12 euro for two small, slightly cold sausages, they felt overpriced. Next, I wandered into Adventureland toward my all-time favorite, Pirates of the Caribbean. This dark ride is a classic and a must when visiting any Disney park that has it. The story begins in the queue. The cast members, the smells, the decor, every little detail pulls you into the pirate world. I love it.
Tais-toi, petit.
Tu connais cette chanson au perroquet? Chante avec nous si le cœur t'en dit.
I'm a lover, I'm using dance string up me eyes. Yo ho, yo ho, pirates up for me.
From there, I went to Fantasyland. First up was Blanche-Neige et les Sept Nains, a classic Snow White dark ride. The vehicles are a bit shaky and not the most comfortable, but the ride is still enjoyable.
Le tour est joué.
Then I wrote a colorful, cheerful It's a Small World. A long, delightful boat trip packed with scenes from around the world and that unforgettable theme song. After that, I took yet another gentle boat ride on Le Pays des Contes de Fées, floating past scenes from several Disney fairy tales. After all of that, I got hungry again and had dinner at Au Chalet de la Marionnette, a quick service spot inside the park. I chose the menu Burger du Chalet, which included a soft drink, fries, and a delicious chicken burger. The bun had crispy Emmental on top. There was a mustard-style sauce, breaded chicken, cheddar, coleslaw, relish, and arugula. It was juicy and very satisfying. In January, the park closes early, around 8 p.m. So as the evening fell, I squeezed in one last favorite, the Haunted Mansion. This version at Disneyland Paris is actually called Phantom Manor. The queue is wonderfully themed and genuinely creepy. The final stretch even takes you down in an elevator into the mansion itself. After that, it was time to leave Disneyland Paris and head back to our nearby Center Parcs bungalow. Melissa was waiting there after her swim at the Center Parcs pool complex. We'll show what she got up to in one of her upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave us a like and subscribe. And tell us in the comments which Disneyland Paris attraction is your favorite. We'd love to hear your recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of the Tom and Melissa channel.